What up guys, the Crypto Homie back again with another video. This video is all about Omize Go. Like what's going on with OMG Network? It's up over 20% in the last 24 hours. There has been many comments on this channel about expecting OMG to make further price action to the downside. It sounds like many people are overinvested in OMG, but more importantly, will we see a $20 OMG this October? Find out in this video. And as always, homies, before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So diving right into it, you guys can see we're looking at the 4-hour chart for Omize Go, aka OMG Network. And as you can see, we broke through our critical resistant areas. So now we're holding it as support on the 4-hour. Look at that, resisted it here, resisted it there. We just broke through and we're holding it on the 4-hour and it's looking good. Let's zoom out to the daily. As you guys can see, look at that candle. What a beauty. I really thought we were going to keep going down, but this was showing some momentum to the upside, which is very good. Right now, we definitely need to close this candle above the $3.34 area. If it's below that, we're going to have an issue. So let's look at the RSI, because I was checking out the RSI. Here we go. So as you guys can see, we're creeping up on the RSI. We can make this bigger, and let's go back. So when Omize Go was at like $10, RSI was way overextended. We can make this smaller to show you guys. Back when it was at 10 bucks, look at that, RSI way overextended. But if we go back further, see the RSI right now is around 53, 54. Let's go back and see when it was at 53, 54. So right in this area, it was at 53, 54. That's basically right before we started making some major moves, guys. So I'm anticipating October to see some major moves in OMG. And guys, if you stick to the end, you'll find out what Twitter's talking about. They're calling for way higher than a $20 OMG. So moving on, guys. As you guys can see, let's quick refresh this. OMG is at 22.2% in the last 24 hours at $3.65. I mean, isn't that just amazing, guys? To keep you guys updated, if you guys are not aware with OMG, look at this. The circulating supply and the total supply is exactly the same. So that means you know exactly what's happening with the tokens. They're all already out. You know they're on the market. There's no worries. When are they going to release more? What's happening to the tokens? You already know, and there's nothing there to be concerned about. And a little friendly reminder, because I saw this during my research this morning. So right here it says Omize Go has been rebranded to OMG Network. So I had to go over here, and it's just on their website. It says Omize Go rebrands to OMG Network. So if you guys didn't get the memo, it's not called Omize Go anymore. It's called OMG Network. But if you say Omize Go, we know what you mean. So what do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer Omize Go, or do you guys like OMG Network better? Let me know down in the comments. And just going back to the website, if you guys are unfamiliar with OMG it's just the value transfer layer for whatever, USDT, Ethereum. It's just like DAI. It says that all right here. But basically they're just trying to transfer value a lot cheaper and faster than what Ethereum or Bitcoin can do. So this is an ERC20 token from unless they did make their own blockchain. The last I checked, it was ERC20 token on Ethereum. So just guys, just keep that in mind. We check out the all-time high, and remember this all-time high around $25.62. So I don't know, guys. Do you think we can hit that in October? Because going back to the charts, things are looking pretty good. Looking like we bottomed out here, and going back to the weekly. Look at the weekly. So we closed the last one. It was a green candle. It's what's up? But we're still below our resistance. But this week, guys, the beginning of the week, we already broke through our resistance. We want to see this, holding this definitely on the weekly. I mean, if we could see a candle like this, but hold above the $5 area, that would be seriously great. That would be perfect. Only time will tell, obviously. But so far, some of the indicators of the RSI is looking good. It's always nice to go over to the monthly, see what's going on there. So for the monthly, guys, this actually, even though it's a red candle, we have a major wick right here, so it's showing a lot of buy pressure. So it's showing people are buying this thing up. So I wouldn't be surprised. Hopefully we can close the month, which is only in 2 days and 10 hours. Hopefully we can be a little bit higher, because then that'll make a longer wick. That would definitely be nice to see. So like, let's get away from the charts and let's head over to OMG Twitter. So I was just searching like OMG to see if there's any news, see what's going on. But you get people like tweeting out OMG will approach $20 next month. Believe it or not. Do you guys believe it or not? Let me know in the comments. As we scroll down, OMG to $28 in 4 weeks or less. You guys think that's possible? They're basically saying a $20 to $28 OMG in October. What do you guys think about that? Are you guys hodling some OMG? If you're holding some OMG, this what Twitter's saying right now is pretty cool. Like obviously you don't want to take this for verbatim. This is a grain of salt right here, but this is how the market is looking at it. Just like 2 weeks ago, people were so bearish on OMG. Like we go back to the charts. Back here, especially back in here, people were so bearish. Oh my goodness. They're like making comments. Oh, OMG is going back down to $1. Under $2 is going. It's going to keep going. It's going to go down to 50 cents. And it's just like, guys, it sounds like you were overinvested. You probably invested too much above this line. You probably bought in at $5 like or higher. And you probably put too much money that you're willing to lose. So, you got super emotional with it. Guys, you got to keep in mind, this right here was a great time to buy. If we were under 338, 340, that was a great time to buy. Right now, if we close this daily over this trend line right here, then that's a confirmation to buy. So, you could always buy some now because even at 363, 365, compared to $28, even $10, that's still some massive gains right there. So what do you guys think of these of these lines right here, the support / resistance? What do you guys think of the RSI? And how about that name? We're not OMG Go anymore. We're OMG Network. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments. And as always, homies, this is not financial advice, friendly, pure, and entertainment. I'd like to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Smash that like button, subscribe for more content because the Crypto Homie is signing out.